Hello everybody. I want to show you the programming for the Blade 200QX for putting this on the Spectrum DX6 radio, since this one is not listed in the instructions. But we'll let you know that you use the same programming for the DX9 and 18 and use that programming for the DX6, because these two radios have the same format for the selections in the menus. So if you turn the radio on, when you go into, I'm going to get a glare here. Let's see if I can get this without a glare. Okay, go press your scroll and go into your model type under System Setup. The model type is going to be Acro, and for the reverse setup, go into Servo Setup. Reverse, the only one that is reversed is Auxiliary 1. You gotta scroll, see, travel, subtrim, reverse. Okay, the only one that's reversed is this one, Auxiliary 1. Okay, go back to channel assignment. I'm shaking too bad. Let's see if I can make this better here. Alright, channel assignment. Go back into System Setup. And you go down to Channel Assign. Okay, go to the next page here. And make your gear switch right here D. That puts your mode select switch right here. Otherwise you can select B and it will make it your normal gear switch here. I like mine on the front right here and a longer switch. It's easier to get to. And for Auxiliary 1 I have selected I. And that has something to do with the programming for me going into agility mode with the push button. But even on the programming sheet here, it still says for Auxiliary 1 to be I. Okay, the throttle cut switch is going to be H, which is this switch on the back of the radio. Push it forward away from you, that's motors on, and pull it to you, and that's motor off. Now channel 7 through 10 are inhibited, and that's pretty much it, folks. Just set your dual rates up to 70% on low rate, 100% on high rate, and this right here tells you the same functions for taking the picture, starting the video, if you're actually running a camera on it. But once you have everything programmed in, just like you would for a DX9 or the DX18, that same exact programming works in the DX6. Not the DX6i, just the regular DX6, this new one that they came out with a year or so ago. But I noticed there's no videos on YouTube how to program it. And so unless you figured it out that the 9 and 18 programming works, then you're kind of like me, just kind of guessing. And I figured out that the 9 and the 18 have the same format and the same menu options when you're going through the menu here that the 6 does. Just the 9 has more channels and has more features than this one does. But use that programming for the DX6 and you will be golden. Thanks for watching.